How big is a $250 gold brick? Well, it's about this big. Really not big at all. But recently I ended up buying some gold, some physical silver, and I'm gonna be talking about some of the things that I've learned about physical gold and physical silver in this video, so stay tuned. I'll be honest, when I first bought my first little gold bar, I thought, hey, this is kind of cool. I'm having me a big gold bar at home, right? $250. It looks bigger online than it looks in real life. 5 grams of gold. I bought some more gold as well, but this was the first one that I bought, and I'm not gonna talk about how much I got, but hey, I got a little bit of gold, and I've also got some silver. I bought some of these silver coins. Silver's a lot cheaper, so you can get a lot more for a lot cheaper. These are the coins right here. That's a 99% silver coin there. There's a lot of different coins out, but the big thing here is to remember, at the end of the day, all we're really investing in is the actual metal itself. So the design that's on the coins, the overall just kind of functionality of what the coin is, stuff like that, doesn't really mean much. What we're really investing in is the actual precious metal itself. So there's going to be a lot of different designs, different coins, different bars and bricks and things out there. So you got to kind of just figure out what's the best bang for your buck. For me, I just went online, I tried to find websites that have the cheapest price to the spot price of the actual metal itself. Spot price is going to be the market price of 1 ounce of either gold or 1 ounce of silver. There's a couple different websites out there. You can kind of just Google them and figure out which one works best for you depending where you live, stuff like that. I actually bought my gold and silver with Bitcoin, which is kind of cool as well. They give you a discount if you use Bitcoin. I bought gold with digital gold. The big thing for me here is people might say, why do you need gold, Patrick? What are you gonna do with a bar of gold? Well, and I asked myself the same thing. What am I gonna do with this stuff? What it really comes down to here is I'm just hedging against the idea that someday gold and silver might be worth a lot of money. Do I think the world's going to end? No. Do I think there's a chance that the US dollar could crash? Maybe. But at the end of the day, I'm just preparing myself for all the different types of outcomes. I've got gold, I've got silver, I've got ammunition, I've got guns, I got cryptocurrency, I've got dollar bills. I've got everything that I could need depending on the different outcomes. If the world just keeps on going the way it's going, I'll be fine. If the dollar crashes and gold goes to the moon, I'll have a little bit of money. If cryptocurrency goes to the moon, I'll be fine as well. So the big thing for me as a trader is I'm always looking for opportunities. And I saw an opportunity recently when gold started to crash. The price of gold went down the last couple months as the stock market went higher. Now the price of gold is rising today as the market is crashing. So there's always going to be fluctuations, but obviously if you look at the long-term growth of gold, it's always just went higher in the long term. 100 years from now, maybe this gold will be worth a lot of money and I can give it to my kids. I'm buying gold, I'm buying silver. Like I said, if you're going to be buying gold, just find the cheapest gold bar or bullion or whatever you want to call it, the cheapest one in terms of the price to spot. You want to figure out what's the best bang for your buck. There's a lot of different ones out. There's a lot of websites, and you can compare all the different prices. Also, a lot of the websites will give you deals. If you buy for the first time, you can get those deals as well. So make sure you Google. Make sure you kind of Google, different deals and prices on gold. Make sure you're not getting charged way above spot price. It really depends on just kind of the overall market that day. But a lot of times you can buy the physical gold and silver that's really close to the spot price, maybe 40, 50 cents above spot price, depending on the website. So you really just have to look and educate yourself to learn more about overall what the price of gold, what the price of silver is that day. And like I said, I'm just buying physical gold. I'm buying physical silver for the idea that possibly in the future, this stuff could be worth a lot more money. And it's also just protecting myself that if something crazy does happen, I'll have some gold, I'll have some silver, I can maybe buy some food or maybe buy a yacht. But like I said, I'm not a doomsday prepper. I don't think the world's going to end anytime soon, but I think it's cool to just have a little bit of everything. Have a backup plan. If the US dollar does go to zero, well, at least I'll have a little bit of gold. I'll be able to survive, I'll be able to live with my gold and silver that I got stockpiled up. Same thing with crypto. If crypto goes to zero, well, at least I got my US dollars, I can buy some stuff with that. So I've got some solid contingency plans. Like I said, buying physical gold, buying physical silver. The big thing is just to focus on getting the best price that you can get, and then just, buy a little bit. Don't go and buy $100,000 worth of gold if you only have $100,000 in savings. You really just want to buy a little bit, buy a little bit, buy a little bit, and then hold on to it and see where it goes in the future. I'm preparing for all the different outcomes, being ready. The way I look at it for me is it better for me to not buy gold and then wait for the market to crash? Or is it better for me to buy gold and be ready for different outcomes? It's a good way to look at it there. I'm at the point now where, I have a little bit of extra money. I'm able to invest in different opportunities, and buying physical gold and silver I thought was a pretty solid opportunity long term. I'm not planning on going and flipping this. I'm not planning on selling this gold tomorrow to make a little bit of profit. I might never sell gold or silver. I might just hold on to it forever. We'll see what happens. This could be my retirement plan. There it is, talking about physical gold, physical silver. Where do you buy your physical gold? Where do you buy your physical silver? And do you have any tips? Leave them down below. Let's talk about it. I want to learn more about buying precious metals. What do you guys think? Let's get a discussion going. Talk down below. Leave a comment.